Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the notification settings in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the notification bell symbol there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner once again and press on the settings. And here you can just manage the notification settings. You can see that right now the notifications are turned off for this application, and you can just press on enable now, and this will transfer you to the um, settings of your device where you can find the application and you can just simply enable it for the application. And after that you can just manage the rest of the settings here as well. You can enable or disable them, and after that you can just leave and the changes that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.